Dry cough tends to worsen during winter, but a simple and effective remedy can help soothe your throat. 1 cup of warm milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 crushed walnuts. Warm the milk to a comfortable temperature, not boiling. Add honey and mix until fully dissolved. Crush the walnuts and add them to the milk. Stir well. Milk soothes the throat and provides hydration. Honey acts as a natural antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory agent. Walnuts, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, they help reduce inflammation and boost immunity. Consume this mixture before bedtime to ease coughing and improve sleep.